Want to create interactive, minimalist presentations without spending hours designing? In just a few clicks, Gamma can do it for you. Let me show you how. In this video, we'll walk through creating an 8-slide minimalist presentation using Gamma's AI-powered tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build stunning interactive presentations. Let's get started. First, go to gamma.app and log in. Once inside, click Create New and choose Presentation. You can pick a template, but today we're using the AI Generate feature to build our presentation from scratch. Step 2. Use Gamma's Generate feature with a prompt. For our example, here's the prompt we'll use. Create an 8-slide minimalist presentation titled, How to Create a YouTube Faceless Channel, with bold headers, icons, and brief tips on niche selection, content creation, tools, SEO, and monetization. Click. And just like that, Gamma generates the slides in seconds. Let's take a look at what it came up with. Step 3. Review and customize the generated slides. Here's our 8-slide structure. Slide 1. Title page. Clean and simple. Slide 2. Niche selection. Bold header, bullet points, and an icon. Slide 3. Content creation. Quick tips with eye-catching visuals. Slide 4. Tools. Icons with short tool recommendations. Slide 5. SEO basics. Simple, actionable tips. Slide 6. Monetization. Clear examples of how to earn. Slide 7. Summary. Quick recap of everything. Slide 8. Call to action. Encouraging viewers to get started. Not bad, right? But we can make it even better. Add interactivity and collaboration. Let's enhance this with some interactive elements. Here's how. Add hyperlinks to tools or resources mentioned. Embed a YouTube video on the content creation slide. Share the presentation with teammates by clicking Share, and invite them to co-edit in real time. Preview, test, and publish. Once it's ready, click Preview to see how it will look. Test all links and embedded media to make sure everything works smoothly. If all looks good, hit Publish and generate a shareable link that works on any device. And that's it. You've built a beautiful interactive presentation in just a few clicks. Want to try it yourself? Head to Gamma and create your own today. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'll build next. See you in the next one.